Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. We'll learn how to export audio only in DaVinci Resolve 18, extract only audio from video, easy DaVinci tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device and open the project where you want to go ahead and export an audio only onto your clip. So I have here onto my project a certain clip that I have imported. So we'll add that onto the timeline by dragging and dropping it in here. So once you've done all of your editing and go ahead and export the audio only for this, you need to head onto this rocket icon here onto the bottom part. So right after you've clicked onto that, you should be able to see another settings here onto the left side. So you could change the file name for that, like audio only. Then right after, you could also choose a location when you want to go ahead and save this. Then right after, instead of video, click on audio in here. So here on video, remove this check mark in here, head on to audio, and you could also choose the format for that. So there are a lot of options available. So we could choose MP3 and many more in here. So feel free to adjust its settings in here. And just make sure to turn off the check mark or remove the check mark onto export video so that it should be exported as an audio only. So right after that, if you also try to export just a certain range of the audio, click on in and out range and then just choose the points where you want to go ahead and export. But this one, we're going to go ahead and render the entire timeline. So we're going to add this to render queue. And once it is already added here onto the queue, just click on render all and it should go ahead and render or export that specific clip. So you'll just have to wait for this one to be done. So you should be able to see a completed status here onto the upper part of the job, and then just check onto the file folder wherein you have gone ahead and save that file. So as you can see, I have here the audio only. You could do a preview, and that is just how you could go ahead and export audio only in DaVinci Resolve. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.